As the new energy industry thrives, deep technology integration and the spirit of innovation constantly give impetus to enterprises. As a result, the new star Pine Intelligent Technology has risen silently in the battery chemical field. Since its inception in 2022, Guangdong Pine Intelligent Technology Company Limited has focused on manufacturing various battery nickel strips and rapidly grown into an influential enterprise industry-wide, with an annual output of over 2 billion various nickel strips. Adhering to the core philosophy of seeking progress with integrity, making breakthroughs through innovation, and offering excellent services, Pine Intelligent Technology has built an elite R&D team to develop a series of high-quality products, such as battery nickel strips for mobile phones, battery nickel strips for Bluetooth earphones, nickel strips for new energy vehicles, and connectors for power supply systems. The products are extensively used in many advanced technology fields, including mobile phones, touch panels, monitors, laptops, satellite navigation, and automotive electronics, constantly driving these industries forward. Pine Intelligent Technology preserves in development and superb technology, promoting enterprise development through automatic and digital transformation. Pine Intelligent Technology has introduced a batch of advanced domestic and foreign production facilities, such as high-speed punching machines, fully automated tap and reel machines, fully automated plating and carrier tape production lines, laser cutting machines, advanced ultrasonic cleaning equipment, high-precision grinding and milling machines, sonic slow-wire EDM machines, fine-hole EDM machines, and automatic foam laminating machines. Pine Intelligent Technology adopts an excellent traceability system to strictly monitor every production stage, ensuring excellent quality with ingenuity. As an everlasting competitive edge, quality is always strictly controlled during its development. Pine Intelligent Technology has established a rigorous quality control system and introduced cutting-edge inspection facilities such as South Korean micro-pioneer film thickness gauges, X-ray, 2D image measurement instruments, salt spray testers, and solar pods, making sure that every nickel strip to be delivered is 100% up to standard. Now it holds multiple certifications, including the ISO 9001 certification for quality management, the ISO 14001 certification for environmental management, and the IATF certification. Advocating joint efforts, sharing and joint development, Pine Intelligent Technology has become a long-term strategic partner of many well-known enterprises, such as Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo, Apple, Samsung, BYD, and CATL. Going global from Dongguan. Pine Intelligent Technology takes the new energy industry as a fulcrum to empower the future of intelligent electronics. Leveraging its remarkable technological strength and innovation spirit, Pine Intelligent Technology seeks to be a world-leading manufacturer of power battery data acquisition, FPC nickel strips, to constantly write its own legendary chapter.